Hey, we got here Skyway Classics. You got me and Ryan going to talk about this 1974 Trans Am.
She's a pretty one.
She is a 455 big block car, automatic. Has a beautiful blue paint on it. There's a beautiful blue and white Firebird eagle on the hood. This is a power steering car, power brake car, air conditioned car. The paint shows beautifully.
Yeah, the paint's actually really nice.
Got a real nice metallic flake.
Look at that flake in there. No spider webs really either too, so you know who owned this. Really took good care of it.
The interior in this car is also the light blue color, but one of my favorite things about this interior is it comes with the factory 8-track.
Oh heck yeah, I didn't notice that actually when we first got this in. That's really cool.
Factory 8-track with a really cool, who you got in there for an album today? Who is that?
Point Blank?
Point Blank, is that Pat Benatar?
I don't know. Before my time, Shane. But yeah, this thing is super nice.
I'm gonna pop the hood on it.
Here's the back seat while he's popping that hood. No holes, no rips, no tears. Upholstery's in fantastic condition. Let's check out the undercarriage, not the undercarriage, the engine bay. Give her some gas. All right, gang. Shane, crank her up. And then you got something cool to show us, don't you?
Oh yeah, check this out. 1974 factory 8-track player. It works.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's so cool. It's so rare to see that in working order.
AM FM radio with 8-track.
Heck yeah, baby.
All right, let's go for a ride. Power windows. You see they work like they're supposed to.
AC's also blowing nice and cold.
Yep, AC's on and blowing cold. Looks like you got a good oil pressure gauge, a good water temperature gauge. The RPM gauge is working, the speedometer gauge is working, the fuel gauge is working, and the voltmeter is working.
Heck yeah. Give her some gas. Yeah.
Shifts real nice in the second.
Yeah, downshifted there really smoothly too.
Real quick, nice smooth shift. Brakes feel good. She handled this curve real well.
Yeah, no creaking either.
No funny noises.
Heck yeah. All right, so we're gonna go make a U-turn. We'll throw up on a lift here and we'll check out the undercarriage. We'll see you guys back at the shop.